Introducing IME 3D X Maker, the first 3D printer with Gamification 3D design app and AI-powered one-press printing feature. X Maker app comes practically with endless 3D models. Print straight from the box and let your imagination run wild. There are 15 Gamified 3D design mini programs. All are super easy to DIY your digital creations. The rich and diverse themes and gameplay allow you to unleash your unlimited imagination in the game. The two free design software digital building blocks, graphic module design, and digital clay free sculpture modeling help you realize your creativity. AI-powered X Maker app brings you one-press printing. 3D printing is simple thanks to high-speed Wi-Fi data transmission and self-developed algorithms to improve printing conditions. The IME 3D X Maker is also a powerful professional 3D printer. Self-adaptive leveling free structure design. Colorful, environmentally friendly materials keep your family safe. 3.5-inch touchscreen and the novel interactive interface significantly improves the user experience. Temperature-controlled printing platform. The ultra-quiet driving algorithm makes a silent manufacturing environment. Flexible magnetic baseplate. The segmentation design is ideal for a range of usage scenarios. Try the ever-evolving robot in conjunction with 3D printing if you're still unsatisfied. Digital robot characters with infinitely scalable forms are created by combining 3D printing technology with artificial intelligence. With the help of X Maker, your family and you can create limitless possibilities with cutting-edge functions. Creating toys is better than playing with toys. Let X Maker reshape the way children create.